Welcome back, guys. I am super excited to introduce to you guys a brand new dip powder company called Shameless Nails. Do you see that beautiful S sticker on this package? Yes, the S stands for Shameless, for the name of their brand. They also sent along some stiletto swatch sticks. These are really cute. I've never used stiletto swatches, so that I could swatch these beautiful colors. And the wrapping matches. So they sent along 6 colors for me to try out, swatch, and review. So I'm going to do that for you guys. The very first thing I'm really noticing about this brand right now is the packaging. My goodness, this packaging is high quality. I really love all of the attention to detail, the color branding and how it flows from their wrapping to their stickers, and the stickers with the names on them are just so gorgeous and just really pretty. So I'm going through and I'm going to swatch every single color for you guys so you can see how it plays on a swatch and how easy they are to work with. And then towards the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a manicure with 3 of the colors in this video. Jack Frost is a gorgeous icicle light blue. It has gorgeous shimmer. It is not a chunky glitter. It's just a nice shimmery glitter with like smaller pieces of glitter on it. It is really pretty and really easy to work with, and I absolutely love this color. All is Bright is a champagne glitter. It has chunkier pieces of glitter, but it's not too chunky that it makes it unworkable. It is really easy to work with, but I do suggest that if you are not familiar with glitters, that instead of pouring over, that you lay your nail flat on top of the glitter so that you get a lot of the chunkier glitters onto your nail. If you don't want chunky glitter, then pouring over will minimize the amount of chunky glitter. But I feel like to get the full look, you definitely want the chunkies. Oh, Tannenbaum is a shimmery, soft green. It is your standard Christmas green, and it has a gorgeous shimmer that you can't really tell when you are just like swatching, but when it's completely activated and top coated and the light hits it, then you can definitely see the shimmer. I ended up using this color in my manicure later, so you get to see this one and 2 more in action. Santa Baby is a standard Christmas red. I feel like it leans on the pink side with pink undertones, but it's nice and bright and perfect for those Christmas manicures. This is also one of the other colors that I wear in my manicure later. This color is just like O Tannenbaum, where it has shimmer that can't really be seen until the color hits the light and it gets to sparkle. Candy Cane Crush is definitely one of my top favorites of all the colors that they sent me to review. I really love chunkier glitters, and I really love when the chunky glitters have really different colors and sizes in them. So it really plays with colors and dimension here. I really enjoyed it. I'm laying the swatch flat so that I can get truly a full coverage glitter swatch. Silver Bells is a color that truly took my breath away. It looked more white in the powder form, but when you swatch it, you truly understand The reason why it is named Silver Bells is kind of a clearish whitish base, but when those glitters that are on top hit the light, it looks silver and it just really gleams and sparkles and stands out and is different than any other glitter just like this I've ever seen. I recently reshaped my nails into an almond. I think this is almond. Everybody has their own version of what they think is almond versus stiletto versus round. Anyways, I put U&T peel base on my nails and I'm going to get started. So like I said, I'm using Santa Baby, Tannenbaum, and Silver Bells for this manicure here. And my dip liquids are Triple D dip liquids. I've been using them since January of this year and I absolutely love them. They're my favorite dip liquids to date. I actually decided to dip in the green, not the red, although I had the red opened up already. I want green to be the predominant color here, so I'm going to be using it on my index and my pinky finger. If you already saw earlier, my thumb is kind of a nub right now because I had an allergic reaction to a product a couple manicures back. So I'm just trying to let that heal and grow out before I put any more dip products on it. This is actually my very first manicure with this brand new shape. Miranda from Miranda's Nail Creations, you know, my best friend, she sent me a photo of a manicure I did for Valentine's Day a couple years ago. And it's been almost 2 years. She sent that to me and she's like, you would look great in this shape again. And shortly after she sent that to me, I saw Kayla's, I'll link her channel here. I saw her video on her using almond jelly tips from Kiara Sky. And oh my God, her shape looks amazing. Amazing. Like, I'm like, what? Who knew that just reshaping your mani can like totally transform you? Anyways, I fell in love with her shape, and then taking Miranda's advice on trying a new shape again, I was like, you know what? Maybe that's a sign. It just needs to happen. So I was actually going to reshape them maybe sometime in December, but after Kayla's video, I'm like, I should probably do it now. So I braved the whole shaping thing on my left hand only because I'm right-handed, so I used my right hand to file. My right hand is currently still in its squarish coffin. I'm a little nervous to shape that, to be honest, because I will be using my non-dominant hand to shape it, and I'm afraid it's going to come out like lopsided and wonky. Right now I'm working with Silver Bells and I'm using my finger to pat down the glitter. While that's drying, I'm going to activate the solidish shimmer colors and let those harden so I can file and shape. But so Silver Bells, I actually did not encapsulate this one in clear. It is not an insanely chunky glitter. While it does have a lot of glitter in it, they're all about the same size and it's very reasonable in my opinion. So it's easy to work with, easy to pat down, and once you have it mostly pat down, which is why I'm wearing a glove to help pat it down, it kind of just lays very flat, and I was like, why am I going to encapsulate a flat glitter that I don't plan on filing? Speaking of filing, have you heard of the ErgoFile? You probably have because I've been mentioning it from like my last few videos. But I have recently discovered this thing and I've fallen in love with it, and it just makes shaping the cuticle area a breeze. You guys know, if you've watched my cuticle video, that I used to use a metal file to get in that cuticle area. This causes absolutely no abrasion. There's no file hitting my skin, so I love that. And speaking of hitting the skin, this orange buffer block is so gentle on the skin. So if you accidentally just buff against your skin. You don't have to worry about filing or buffing away your skin. It does not hurt. These are amazing. And also more into filing. Here I'm just kind of showing you how I shape one of my nails. I'm not going to take you through all 4 that I've been dipping today. Sorry, my thumb is out of commission. But yeah. Would you like to see me shape my right hand with my non-dominant hand? I feel like that would be very difficult. Kind of nervous to do it, but I don't know, like, should I record the process? Would it be a shit show? I'm not really sure. So far, I'm loving this new shape, and I'm getting ready to put my dip powder top coat on, so I'm just sanitizing everything to make sure there's no rubbing alcohol to make sure there's no excess activator. And then I'm putting on 2 layers of dip powder top coat onto my nails. I use the Triple D system like I mentioned before. The top coat can be finicky, so that's why you see me brushing it here on this lint-free wipe to ensure that after I get it on the nail and it comes in contact with the activator, I brush off any excess so that activator does not get back in my bottle and thicken up and gooey and all the stuff. Like, I don't want that. I want my dip powder top coat to last me till the very bottom of the bottle. So I'm going to do my second coat. I don't know, like, I'm really in love with this shape. Like, I'm not even trying to toot my own horn. I've been using like coffin, squarish, whatever shape you want to call my shape for so long that I don't know. This just feels very fresh, very refreshing and nice, like something different. You should always finish off a good manicure, actually all manicures, with hydrating your cuticles and your skin because it's just gone through a lot. Candy Skincare is my favorite brand of cuticle oil. It is amazing and at a great price, and it's just very high quality, and my skin just never looked better when I'm using her products. Like, they're so good. So I just massage it in, and here is my completed manicure, all done, all dolled up, cuticle oil on. I don't know, I just love these colors. So this is the very end of the video. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on these 6 colors and my mani and my shape and who knows what else. I really love this brand. I was very, very impressed by the presentation, packaging, and just overall how beautiful and easy these colors were to work with. And I highly recommend them if you're looking for somewhere to shop. I'll also have a discount code listed in the description box below if you're looking to save some money and you plan on shopping with them. Again, I highly recommend them. And thank you, Maria and Emily, for sending these colors over to me. I love your company already.